Inhale, breathe through the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale slowly with control. Bring your head down. Now grab hold of the toes with the middle index and thumb. Inhale, lift the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring your forehead down. Padangusthasana. Take slow 5 deep breaths here.
Come to your mat. You'll bring your hands underneath your shoulders and extend your leg till your toes touch the ground. Then the opposite one. So always keep the body in a straight line. Because this is kind of hard, people will have the tendency to do this or drop your hips. That's really bad because you'll hurt your lower back. So always pull through your belly and make sure the body is in a straight line. Roll the shoulders and keep the body really nice and long and engage your thigh muscles.
In Navasana, making sure that our core is engaged, our knees are straight and holding it for a minute. Followed by Navasana. You can either put your hands up or elbows down for 30 seconds on each side. The rest posture, engaging our core again and holding it for another minute.
Now gently take both the knees towards your chest. Interlock your hands. If you want more squeezing of your abdomen, you can hold both the sides of your elbow. Pull the navel inside as you exhale. Try taking the chin towards the knee. Don't take your forehead to the knee, then you'll be hurting your neck.
Move the palms just beneath the shoulders. Inhale, head up. Elbows straight. Feet together. Exhale, down.
So begin by sitting in Vajrasana, and what you want to do is basically stand onto your knees and widen your legs really nice. Bring your palms facing down, your fingers facing down onto the back of your hip, and slowly inhale first and exhale slowly. Push your hips forward and slowly bringing your arms to your ankles and arch back.
So to perform this asana, lie down on your stomach, hold both your ankles and start to pull your ankles and lift your body up. If you look up, it'll help you go even higher. So the aim is to be on our stomach, our whole chest, everything till the point of ribs should be up in the air.
Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, just push your hips down and bring your legs all the way up above your head. So take your time. Do not rush into the posture. Keep exhaling. Use your core. Engage your core muscles and bring your leg all the way over your head. And now your hands can get interlocked here. Stand up tall and nice. Take a few deep breaths. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms all the way up as you inhale, and make sure you have a normal deep breath.